Okay, number 18 deals with a equation of the circle. Here we're asking you to find the center and then either the radius or diameter. So we know that the equation of the circle is defined by x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. We know that h and k are referred to the center. So here we do that. The h is here minus 2. The k here is 7. And the r here takes the square root of 16, which is 4. So the center is negative 2 comma 7. And then the radius here, it is 4. Okay. And again, the reason why this here is a minus 2 is because, again, it's a minus here. Okay. But notice this one is already a minus, and it's already a minus, so you can just write a 7. Okay. All right. So the next one here, let's find the h here is 0 because, again, there's no plus anything here. The k here is also a 0. We want to take the square root of 121 for the r, and I think that is the square root of 121 is 11. Okay. So the center here is 0, 0. The diameter, though, if the radius is 11, then the diameter has to be 22 because we double the radius. Okay, there you go.